Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a flavorful grilled fish and vegetables recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have 2 pieces already cleaned sea bream fish, few green fresh chili, some snap beans, sliced of zucchini, and sliced of corn. Let's get started. Here I have prepared a piece of squeezed lemon. Let's put in a bowl. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a little bit of turmeric powder, and add half teaspoon of tomato paste. Now let's combine all the ingredients. Mix it well, and done. With our prepared sauce, let's take a scoop and put on our prepared fish. Now let's spread to absorb our prepared sauce. This will give our fish the flavorful taste. Spread it well. Turn it on the other side and repeat the process. And done. And let's grill our fish. Leave it until it grilled on the other side. And for the meantime, let's season our prepared veggies. Let's add half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of cooking oil. Combined all together. And done. And let's grill also our veggie. Let's arrange them on the grilling machine. Leave it until totally grilled. Now let's turn it on the other side. And then let's grill also on the other side. Now let's flip our veggie on the other side. Our first batch of grilled veggies are done. Let's remove. Let's grill our last batch of veggie. Let's turn our veggies on the other side. And our grilled fish and vegetables are done. Let's transfer it into serving plate. And our flavorful grilled fish and vegetables is ready to serve.